Come tour this beautiful townhome with me, located right here centrally in Riverview. This is 10525 Lake Montauk Drive, again right here in Riverview, Florida. This beautiful townhome is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a loft and a 1-car garage. And the best part, you'll see. This townhome is located in a beautiful gated community just minutes from I-75 to give you great, easy commuting to Tampa, Bradenton, St. Petersburg, and more. The HOA includes all exterior maintenance, water, sewer, and more for easy maintenance-free living. When you first walk in the front door, you are greeted by a large open foyer, which opens up right to the kitchen and living dining room area, creating a very open floor plan, where you can also see straight out to the back of the home, where you see the beautiful screened-in porch, complete with a beautiful water view. Imagine sitting here and watching the waves roll up from the pond, from the wind, or watching birds flying around and chirping while drinking your coffee or enjoying an evening glass of wine. Upstairs, you'll find a large loft in the middle of the 3 bedrooms with the master suite off to one side, separated from the rest of everything along with the laundry room and other bathroom. These secondary bedrooms look right out over the pond as well, so you get that water view even upstairs. There is all tile downstairs and carpet upstairs and in the bedrooms. Of course, except for the wet spaces such as bathrooms and laundry room. Again, this home is complete with a 1-car garage, so if you have a car that you want to have covered, you have that, or extra storage space. This home is perfect for entertaining or enjoying on your own. For more great home tours, check out this playlist, and again, subscribe to my channel for all things Tampa and the suburbs.